Maca Chuntana, Yalamanın. Every device you see, from phone to PC, has a secret code. The Mac hidden MAC address on the line, unique to the device, one of a kind, no two the same. It's the digital tag. Hackers read this when they sniff the bag. It's 12 hex digits, letters and numbers, like a license plate when the network slumbers. Burned in the card, can't go away, but spoof it right, and you can play. Wi-Fi hacks start with this key, changing your Mac for anonymity. ARP spoof tricks, man, in the middle. Without Mac knowledge, you can't solve the riddle. Think of Mac like a shirt with a name. It tells the world, hey, I'm in the game. Every device wears its ID proud. Hacker spotted fast in the traffic crowd. MAC address on the